Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello friends, this is part 19 for the same chapter first, accounting for partnership from fundamental. In this video class, I will solve a question number 17 and 18. So now let's start for the question number 17. So first I'm reading the question, then now see the book. First, X and Y are partners in a firm. Profit sharing ratio in the ratio of 3:2 with capital of 10 lakh or 5 lakh respectively. It means when two partners are there, first is X and second is Y, and the profit sharing ratio is given 3:2 and the capital is given of both the partner 10 lakh and 5 lakh. Now continue. As per the partnership deed, there to be allowed interest on capital 8% per annum. The firm are pay to the interest on capital to the partner is 8% per annum. The net profit for the year ended 31st March 2008 before providing for interest on capital is 45,000. So said profit is given 45,000 and out of this profit interest on capital is still not charged. Show the distribution of profit. So for the distribution of profit, first we will charge the interest on capital and second we will prepare a profit loss appropriation account for the distribution of profit among the partners. So now first calculation is interest on capital. Interest on capital. Two partners are there. First is X and second is Y. X capital is 10 lakh and Y capital is 5 lakh and rate of interest both the partners same 8% per annum. Right? 10 lakh of 8% is equal to 80,000. And 5 lakh of 8% is equal to 40,000. And now for distribution of profit, we'll prepare a profit loss appropriation account. So now see the format of profit loss appropriation account. Same format as per the previous questions. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended for the year ended 31st March 2008. Draw the format. Left hand side is debit side and this one side is a credit side. First column are the particulars, amount, particulars and amount. Now posting first the profit. Profit is given in the question. So here we will write by profit from profit loss account. The profit came out here from the profit loss account. Profit is given in the question is 45,000. Right? And out of this profit, the firm will be allowed to the partners appropriations. Partners appropriation is given interest on capital. So compare it. First, X capital interest on capital is 80,000 and Y is 40,000. Now, if you write here, see roughly 80,000 and 40,000 is the total is 120,000 and profit is 45,000. It means profit is less than from the interest on capital. So how will you will allow interest on capital to the partners? Because if the firm interest on capital will be allowed the partners, that time the loss will be there. The loss will be transferred to the partners capital account. But same thing is mentioned in the question that key partners are involving the loss. The partners are increase the loss. If these things are mentioned in this question, that time we will allow to the interest on capital to the partners. But the partner will not to be bear the loss. So those partners are invested a capital of 10 lakh and a 5 lakh. How they will gain a loss? So we will distribute this profit among this ratio of appropriation ratio. So first you will change the ratio as interest on capital is 80,000 and Y interest on capital is 40,000. We will prepare a new profit sharing ratio in the comparison in the form of interest on capital. So similar 0 to similar 0 cancel, it will simplify for 80,000, 40,000, 8:4 and 2:1. New profit sharing ratio is 2:1. Now we will distribute the partners this profit 45,000, 2 by third and Y 45,000 and 1 by third is equal to 30,000 and is equal to 15,000. So same thing, distribute the profit to interest on capital. First X, second Y. X is equal to 30,000 and Y is equal to 15,000. Total is equal to 45,000. Now balancing 45,000 and credit side balancing is 45,000. So now student, the part 17 is completed. Now after this question, we will continue in the same remaining part, question number 18. Now friends, see the question number 18. So question number 18 is given, show the following item in the capital account of partners Ruchi and Suchi, assuming their capital are fluctuating capital. So two partners are there, the format is ready. First column is particulars of the debit particular, second Ruchi and second Suchi. Second of credit side particular. Here we will mention to all the incomes of the partner Ruchi and Suchi. It is the debit side of the partners, those are expenses of the withdrawing of the partner, he will mention, or those are income of the partner, he will mention. And first posting of the capital. So capital by balance BD. Capital is given on 1st April 2004. Here you can write now the date 1st April 2004. Capital of 3 lakh. Student, it is a very easy question. In this question, you will post it to all the items in the partner's capital account. Drawing, so drawing it will be a debit. To drawing 48,000 and 36,000. Next, interest on drawing, same debit to interest on drawing. Drawing 1440 and 1080. Next, salary of partner by salary. It is the income for the partner. Ruchi are getting a salary of 2000 per month. So 2000 multiplied with 12, 24,000. And Suchi is not getting a salary. Next is their partner's commission. Then by commission, both the partners are getting a commission for the firm. Commission is 10,000 and 8,000. 10,000 and 8,000. Next, interest on partner loan. This is the main point. Interest on partner loan. Those questions have to be solved till the 17. So interest on partner loan we have show in the profit and loss account, not in the partner's capital account. It is the main point for this question. Next, interest on capital. We will posted interest on capital on the credit side, because these balance will be increased. These interest on capital will be increase the balance of partner. Interest on capital. So interest on capital is given for the 6% for the both the partner. 6% of 3 lakh is 18,000 and 6% of 2 lakh for 12,000. Right? Next is their share of profit for 2004 and 5, 40 and 20,000. So profit, visual profit are already given in the question as a calculated profit was on 40,000 and 20,000. Now question is completed and your work is remain for the totaling of this question or this posting. Then first total 220 and 240. Check now this calculation. 240. 2,40,000 and deduct by 2,40,000 and 37,080. 2,02,920. 2,02,920. It will be balance CD, new balance of the partner, and the balancing of 2,40,000. Same thing for the Ruchi. Total of 3,92,000 direct from 49,440. 3,42,560. 3,42,560. So now question is solved. So today this video class we have solved two questions 17 and 18. Thank you students.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.